Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 12th standard business mathematics and statistics, chapter number 6, continuation of exercise 6.1. Now problem number 10. In problem number 10, you are given that a distribution function is given, that is capital F of x. Subdivision number 1, is the distribution function continuous? If so, give its probability density function. And second one, what is the probability that a person will have to wait more than 3 minutes, less than 3 minutes, and between 1 and 3 minutes? Actually, what is given now in problem number 10, suppose that the time in minutes that a person has to wait at a certain station for a train is found to be random phenomenon with a probability function specified by the distribution function. So what is given? Time in minutes that a person has to wait at a certain station for a train. Okay. You are given capital F of x that represents a distribution function. First one, is it continuous? This distribution is continuous? Yes, it is continuous. Only look at that. Here we have 0, 1, 2, 4. Okay, 0, 1, 2 and 4. Now the starting one is here minus infinity, the ending one is plus infinity. Here less than or equal to 0 given. Less than or equal to 0 means minus infinity to 0. And 0 to 1, next one 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, finally 4 to infinity. Here time, it has been mentioned time, therefore the starting one is 0 only. Okay. Then 0 to here less than or equal to 0, here f of x equal to 0 given. 0 to 1 is x by 2, 1 to 2 is 1 by 2, 2 to 4 is x by 4, and greater than or equal to 4, 4 and more than 4, that is 1. Yes, we have tried. Yes, f of x is continuous. You are asked to find out that probability density function PDF, that is f of x. Formula f dash of x, capital F to be differentiated for getting that small f of x. Very simple. What is here? 0, 0 constant, constant differentiation is 0 only, write 0. Next, x by 2 differentiation, you know the differentiation of x is 1 and 2, right, as it is, so 1 by 2. Again constant, constant differentiation is 0, write 0. Here, x differentiation is 1 and 4, right, as it is, so 1 by 4. Finally, the constant, once again, constant differentiation is 0. So write the interval as it is, x less than or equal to 0, 0 less than x less than or equal to x less than 1, x less than or equal to 0, 0 less than x less than 1. Next one, less than or equal to. Next, 1 less than or equal to x less than 2, 2 less than or equal to x less than 4, and the x which is greater than or equal to 4. Now, B, subdivision number 1. Here in this problem, x represents the time in minutes that a person has to wait at a certain station. For a train. In B subdivision number 1, what is the probability that a person will have to wait more than 3 minutes? More than 3 minutes means probability of x greater than 3. Greater than 3 means integral greater than 3 means 3 to infinity f of x dx equals, here in between 2 and 4 we have 3. Okay, for your reference I draw a number line for f of x. Here minus infinity plus infinity, here 0 1 2 and 4, 0 1 2 and 4. X less than or equal to 0, here less than or equal to 0, the f of x is 0. 0 to 1, here f of x is half. 1 to 2, f of x is again 0, small f of x is 0. 2 to 4 is 1 by 4, f of x that is equal to 1 by 4, and greater than or equal to 4, f of x is 0. Here f of x is 0. So 3 to infinity, look at that, we have 3 to infinity. So 3 will be somewhere here, in between 2 and 4, 3 will be here. So how to write now? 3 to 4, then 4 to infinity, like that we have to separate. Again I tell you, 3 to infinity means 3 to 4, then 4 to infinity. 3 to 4 f of x dx plus 4 to infinity f of x dx. 3 to 4. 3 to 4 here only, in this region only will be having that 3 to 4. 3 to 4 f of x is 1 by 4. But 4 to infinity is 0 only. Here 1 by 4, integral 3 to 4. 1 by 4 is a constant right outside the integral, so only dx. But 4 to infinity f of x value is 0. 0 integration is 0, you just write only 0. That is equal to 1 by 4. Integral dx, that is x, you know that, limit 3 to 4. Apply the upper limit first. Upper limit replace x by 4 minus lower limit, x should be replaced by 3. That is equal to 1 by 4 into 4 minus 3 is 1. That is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 is 1 by 4. Subdivision 1 is over. Now second subdivision, probability of less than 3 minutes. Less than 3 minutes, that is x less than 3. Less than 3, look at the diagram here, less than 3, here 3. So you must start from here, minus infinity to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So less than 3 means minus infinity to 3. For finding all those things, you can apply one property that will be easy for you. X less than 3 can be written as 1 minus probability of x greater than or equal to 3. I write the property over here. Since probability of x less than a, that is equal to 1 minus probability of x greater than or equal to a. That is a property. I have applied that property only. X less than a, that is equal to 1 minus probability of x greater than or equal to a. What is the value of a here? 3 equals 1 minus greater than or equal to 3. Already we got it. Here greater than or equal to 3 and greater than 3 are same only. Here what's the value? That is 1 by 4. You can directly substitute. You just write since from first subdivision. That is equal to 4 ones are 4 minus 1 divided by 4, that is equal to 3 by 4. Now last subdivision. Subdivision number 3. Between 1 and 3 minutes. Between 1 and 3. So probability x lies between 1 and 3 equals. Look at the diagram. Here 1 here, 3 here, 3 in between 2 and 4. So 1 to 3 means, so 1 to 2, then only can go for 3. So 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Because in between 1 and 3 we have the number 2. So how to go? 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So integral 1 to 2 f of x dx plus 2 to 3 f of x dx. 1 to 2 f of x. 1 to 2 f of x is 0. 2 to 3 here only. In this region f of x is 1 by 4. 0 and 1 by 4. Here 0, straight away can write. Here 1 by 4 is a constant, you can write outside the integral. 2 to 3. Then dx. f of x that is equal to 1 by 4. Then dx alone. Then we have to integrate. 1 by 4 write as it is. Integral dx is x limit 2 to 3. That is equal to 1 by 4. Apply the upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit is 2. That is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. 1 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 4. So problem number 10 is completed. Thank you, children.